Well, we moved here a month before the Memorial Weekend 2024 tornado happened. And when we got here, our neighbors were telling us that tornadoes never touch down here. Because in Seattle, that tornadoes aren't common, so we didn't grow up around that. And then a month after we had lived here, the tornado happened, and it was so scary. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning, and
we were renting at the time, and we just had a small pantry closet, and we came and we gathered all our dogs and our cat in this tiny space, again made for a pantry, a kitchen pantry, and just waiting it out at like 2 a.m.
And it was the scariest thing I've ever lived through. Like, having not ever even been around a tornado before, it was so scary to be there, like in the middle of the night, like not knowing what to expect, and you could just hear the wind outside.
Atlas gave us a call and told us around the timeline and the day that the installation would happen. A crew came down, and it looked like Legos. A bunch of blocks came in, and so they installed it right into our garage. It was really painless. I mean, it was like within a couple hours, and maybe even 2 hours, and it was fully complete. Other than some noise for the drilling into our concrete slab, there really wasn't much that I had to deal with the crew, because the crew was very independent. They took care of it really quickly, but like I said, other than like maybe an hour or two, they were in and out.
We've already recommended Atlas safe rooms to our friends here in Bentonville. It's just was such a good experience, especially having had worked with another company before. So I had that comparison. So it was so easy to meet with you, see the shelters in person, have you come to our place and recommend where to put it and the size. Just was so reassuring, having never had bought a tornado shelter before. Also, like, I really appreciate how aesthetically pleasing it looks, because I was like, oh, is this gonna look ugly in my garage? But it looks like it was made for the space, so it looks great.
And it's come to the point where when we have friends come to the house, it's become a highlight of the house. So
they want to see
they want to see it, and we have friends with kids who during a party will just like stay inside the storm room.
The string lights up in there, and plus it gives me peace of. It gives me peace of mind knowing that it's made for that it has withstood, like, did you say an EF5 or EF4? Yeah, and I don't know if the pantry we were hiding in would have withstood an EF4.